Hello everybody, this is Dan. In this video, we're going to be going over our specialized turns, the step turn and the slow turn. The nice thing about this week's fundamentals is you are pretty much doing exactly what they say for all of them. Now, a step turn is just you're stepping and turning. And we normally phrase this as up step turn because we only put it at the beginning of a drill, naturally, and you're basically going up, step, and turn. And then you're continuing on with your drill. Now, an up step turn can be to 180 degrees, or sometimes if we're on the field and we have everybody facing north, we'll phrase it as up step turn to the south, and then you do your drill. Or it can be an up step turn to the left, or an up step turn to the right. So just be prepared for all of that, up, step, turn, or up, step, turn. And then you just continue on with your drill. Now, slow turns are something that I think gets a lot of flack for being overcomplicated, I think, and it's just because it has a lot of moving parts. When we call out a slow turn, we'll say it like this. You have a slow turn to the right, 90 degrees in 4 counts. And obviously that just looks like this, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you continue on with your drill. Or it can be something up to, I don't know, some crazy number. A slow turn to the left, 180 degrees in 32 counts. Now, I'm not going to exemplify that for you, but basically, say you're starting here, and it's to the left, 32 counts, 180 degrees. Your midway point is going to be on 16, here, parallel with the yard line that you started on. And this is something that you can borrow from adjusted step, and just finding your halfway point in however many counts that you need to get to. Because obviously with a nice 180 degree turn, you're just going to be parallel with the line or perpendicular, depending on where you start. Anyways, it's just finding a halfway point as you do these slow turns. Something that you need throughout both step turns, but especially slow turns, is a really nice and visually appealing chair step, because really you're just in place, especially with the slow turn, right? So say that you're here doing a slow turn. I'll do one to the left, 90 degrees in 8 counts. It would look kind of weird if we were just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it looks really flashy and cool when we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? That's kind of all that this band is about. It's just looking flashy. It's looking really cool. Slow turns are generally going to be only 90 degrees to the left or to the right, or 180 degrees to the left or to the right. But there are cases where we have done a 360 degree turn to the left or the right, I think the example was the Looney Tunes show from the 2019 season, if you want to try to find that in there. But we just went, in 8 counts, just 360 degrees. And it was a cool effect. But in a general on-the-line situation, we're only going to be giving you them 90 degrees or 180 degrees. So don't fret about it too much. Step turns and slow turns are really cool, and I heard that only really cool people can upload videos of themselves doing these fundamentals to the Google Classroom. I think you're all really cool, so I'd love to see you do it, and I can give you some feedback on the way. Thanks, and go Bucks.